we will introduce KTENG education curriculum and experimental equipments of air conditioning and refrigeration system. KTENG's air conditioning and refrigeration system curriculum consists of basic operation of the system, automatic control training exercise connected with sequence, PLC training equipment, and curriculum of cooling, heating and refrigeration performance analysis using real-time monitoring software. Basic operation of air conditioning refrigeration system operation training is to connect the compressor, condenser fan motor, solenoid valve, and evaporator fan motor to the banana jack to operate the system, check temperature and pressure change during operation, and check refrigeration performance. Each machine consists of a mechanical control unit and an automatic control unit, so that the machine control unit can be operated from the control panel in the automatic control unit. Secondly, temperature control during refrigeration system operation, pressure control operation circuit configuration training and air conditioning system operation temperature and humidity control operation circuit configuration training are available. Set the temperature controller and pressure switch to configure the circuit for automatic operation within the set range and operate the system. In addition to the sequence control, you can train the temperature and pressure automatic control circuit configuration training using the PLC programming in conjunction with the KTENG bag-type PLC training kit. 36-pin connector can be used to connect experimental equipment to bag-type PLC training equipment and to train. Next, we will explain performance analysis experiment training using monitoring software. DA100, a data acquisition device developed by KTENG, can save temperature and pressure data in real time while operating the equipment and can construct a pH diagram to monitor the system and analyze the data. Connect the data acquisition device and the experimental equipment with the USB RS-232 communication cable, and use it by connecting with a PC installed with the program. You can select the refrigerant you are using and save the data as an Excel file. You can also use the digital output function to operate the system. KTENG provides educational materials such as teaching materials, educational video contents, and animation contents to be used to practical training of air conditioning refrigeration automatic control together with experimental equipment. The air conditioning and refrigeration system and the solar heat energy, geothermal heat pump system training manuals explain the equipment used, the components, and how to use it. It includes training on automatic control operation circuit configuration experimental and system performance analysis. We provide operating exercise videos to match the experiment and educational materials provided. You can proceed with video training from the method of configuring the temperature and pressure automatic control circuit to checking normal operation. In addition, how to use the software, refrigeration performance graph, training video, refrigeration performance analysis method is explained. You can use the lecture. The additional animation content is a sequence-controlled, animated animation that details how to control the system with a banana jack. It explains how to construct a given schematic in the manual and how it works, and is designed to make it easier for students to understand. KTENG manufactures standard refrigeration experimental equipment, four-way valve heat pump experimental equipment, evaporation pressure parallel control experimental equipment, and in addition, binary refrigeration experimental equipment, brine experimental equipment, and car cooling test equipment. In addition, the air conditioning experimental equipment is an experimental equipment simulating the air conditioning system installed in a real building. You can conduct a psychrometric chart training using temperature, humidity control, wind velocity control, and monitoring program. These various air conditioner and refrigeration system experiment equipments can be connected with bag-type sequence and PLC training kit by using 36-pin connector, and it is possible to train for automatic control training.